Hello! In today's very quick tutorial, I will show you how to generate your prompts with ChatGPT for Midjourney images. So let's get started. So when you go to ChatGPT, you will ask it to make you a prompt. For example, I already did it. I told it to make me a prompt for an image with a shark racing driver, and I got the prompt. You will then copy the prompt if you are good with it. Of course, you can ask ChatGPT to do something more about it, to make it shorter, to make it longer, to add something that you want, or for example, just I will go with it what I got with the prompt. When you got your prompt, you will go to your Discord server from Midjourney, and you will make /imagine and put the prompt in. When you put the prompt in, for quickness, for example, you will get something like that, like this guy that had that prompt like this: create a detailed image of a mascara system, etc. Like this, like a long prompt. Of course, you can do it like this, like a shot of 50mm lens and ultra wide angle. You can add stuff to your prompts, and when you add everything, when you want to see what it does, you will click enter, and the AI will make a picture like this. And from there, you can click the U1, U2, and you can get the first picture of a solo, the second solo, and etc, etc. You can do it like that. You can play with it, you can use it all you want. You just make your prompts, and you then go to ChatGPT, and you will ask it to define and to change your prompt for your doing, for your liking, like you want. And when you do that with ChatGPT, you will hit it in the imagine prompt in your Midjourney server, and you will get your desired picture that you want. This is just a quick example, and this is some art that are people doing, like with the prompts that are generated. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial how to do it. If you want to see something more detailed and something else from Midjourney, just visit our channel for other tutorials, or ask in the comments so we can help you. Please like and subscribe, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye!